In most parts of the world, you can hear the characteristic cicada song, but only the males sing. A single cicada song can be up to 100 decibels, making it one of the loudest insects. Other insects make noise by rubbing their legs together, but cicadas sing using two tymbals. The tymbals are thin membranes with thickened ribs, and they function just like speakers, with the air sac and tympani acting like amplifiers. They click every time the cicada contracts or relaxes the tymbal muscle. A cicada can contract its tymbal muscle more than 50 times a second, creating the buzzing noise that we hear as cicada song.